Hello and welcome 11 Commerce students. Today in this class, I will continue with the advantages of multinational companies. This multinational company is the first chapter of your second unit test business studies syllabus. In my last class, I have started with multinational company and explained the definition and reasons for the growth of multinational company. But today in this class, I am going to explain and focus on the advantages of multinational company. Now this multinational companies has several advantages. They enjoy a great advantage of many things. Starting with the first point. Now the first advantage they have is the product innovation. They have wide range of product. They have good technology. They have advanced technology, so they can innovate new products very often. So product innovation will be the first advantage that the multinational companies are having. Advantages of MNC. First point will be product innovation. They have superior line of products. They have superior line of products. They keep on engaging themselves in developing new products, diversification of products, and many things like that. So product innovation is the first point. Second point is there. Second point is they have financial superiority. Their capital resources are huge. They have huge capital resources. So they don't face any kind of shortage of funds. So they can go on with production of wide range of things. From all over the world, they can fetch the capital. They can go on investment. So diversification, modification and innovation of product is possible because their financial strength is much more than any local industry or any kind of any domestic industry. So this is the second advantage that they are having. Apart from that, they are having marketing superiority. They can market their products all over the world. Their products are acceptable in all over the world. So they have marketing superiority. Marketing superiority. They have marketing superiority. Their wide range of products, they don't face any difficulty in selling their products. They adopt effective and advertising and sales promotion and various other methods to make their products sell throughout the world. So that's why they can capture the world market very easily. So marketing is not a difficult job for an MNC. Then technological superiority is the next point. When we talk about marketing, we always talk about new technology. Technological advancement. Due to technological advancement, their product growth, their product differentiation, their product diversification is much more than any other domestic or local company. They helped the development programs in the underdeveloped countries. Multinational companies can participate in various other countries, their international standards. They have good international standards. So they can participate in many programs and many development programs in the weak countries, in the economically low economic countries or in the underdeveloped countries, so that they can get a technological upliftment through these subsidiaries. So these are the basic advantages the multinational companies are having. Apart from them, they can employ people, they can create job opportunities, they can give or create employment opportunities. they can create employment opportunities. This is another advantage of these MNC. They can give wide range of jobs to many eligible people in the local area or wherever it is settled. So this is another advantage. Expansion of market, which is possible if it is an MNC. They can expand the market as long as they wish. So expansion of market is possible because it is MNC. Having huge financial resources, having huge capital market, expansion of market is also possible because the potentiality of these MNCs are more than any other companies in the country. Now we come to cost of production. The cost of production factor, which is the next important factor, that is due to the wide range and wide production capacity. They are producing a lot more, and if production is huge, if there is a lot production, then automatically the cost of production will be reduced. So there is a low cost of production. Low cost of production due to huge quantity production. Low cost of production due to huge quantity of production. Because quantity is huge, it is produced in huge number, that's why low cost advantage they enjoys. Last, another point, that is proper utilization of resources. Wastage is minimum in these MNCs, so proper utilization of resources is also another great advantage of MNC. Proper utilization of resources is also one of the great advantage of these MNC. That's why they also ensures that the economies of material, labor, overhead cost can be carried on. Large scale production is possible. That's why the economies are obtained, and when economies are obtained, wastage is low, and if wastage is low, cost is also low. So these are the few advantages that MNCs enjoy. These are the important advantages that an MNC has. Apart from these, if you wish to write any other advantage, you can add with it, but these are the main points which you should write about the advantages of MNC. In my next class, I will come up with the drawbacks that MNC have. Yes, MNCs also have certain kind of drawbacks, which I am going to explain in my next class. So wait till my next class. Till then, goodbye.